Ladies and gentlemen of Shot City, what you're looking at is the Glock 23 video for the generations. So, Shot City here, guys. I've got my Glock Generation 4s out, got my Gen 3 and my Gen 2s. So, I'm going to shoot these Gen 2s, but before I shoot those, I just want to go over some of the differences. So, the Gen 2 doesn't have any finger grooves like you would see on the Generation 3 or 4. Also, there's very little gripping on it, so it's kind of smooth. Also, you don't have a rail up front like you do on the Gen 3 or Gen 4. So those are some of the major differences. I've also heard stuff like some of these guns weren't drop safe or whatever. I'm not going to test it, so I don't really care. All right, so let's get to the shooting. And full disclosure, I am using Korean-made machine, so we might have a malfunction here. The mag is fully seated on that one. Okay. You'll see every now and then you do get a malfunction. If those are just feeding issues, I can just rectify and fix that. Alright. Again, the mag didn't lock back. That's a mag issue. I'll use the other Gen 2. That locked back. See, I know I didn't. One-handed. Gonna run one more mag through the other one. And I'll most likely be getting some Talon grips for these as well. They're just too slick. The gun kind of slides up in your hand. Alright, one more just to dump it on the plate, just to show function. There you have it, folks. Take a look. I've got every generation of Glock 23 out here right now. They haven't come out with the Gen 5s yet, and I'm not sure if I'll get those. But everybody, thanks for watching. This is Shot City.